Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into one of the most talked about electric vehicles of 2025, the Hyundai Ioniq 5. This futuristic machine has taken a bold step forward not only in design but also in technology, performance, and comfort. So let's get right into what makes the 2025 Ioniq 5 such a game changer. Starting with its appearance, the Ioniq 5 immediately grabs attention with its sharp, angular design and pixel-inspired LED lighting that gives it a retro-futuristic feel. The clean body lines and flush door handles create a sleek silhouette, while the bold front grille area, although closed off as it's an EV, is shaped to look aggressive and modern. The wheel design is also unique, with striking aerodynamic patterns that aren't just stylish but also contribute to better efficiency. Its overall stance is muscular yet minimalistic, making it stand out from traditional SUVs or crossovers on the road. When you step inside, you're welcomed by a cabin that feels more like a tech lounge than a typical car interior. The dashboard is dominated by dual 12.3-inch screens, one for the driver's display and the other for infotainment. The software feels responsive and polished, with support for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, though wireless support may vary depending on the trim. Hyundai has maximized interior space thanks to the EGMP platform, which allows for a completely flat floor. This means more legroom and a lounge-like seating arrangement. Even the center console can slide back and forth, allowing for flexible space use. The materials inside feel premium, with sustainable fabrics and soft-touch surfaces giving an upscale vibe. Ambient lighting throughout the cabin adds a futuristic touch, especially during night driving. The rear seats are spacious enough for adults, and the panoramic glass roof enhances the sense of openness. Under the hood, or more accurately, under the floor, the Ioniq 5 comes with multiple powertrain options. You can get it in either rear-wheel drive or all-wheel drive configurations. The base model produces around 168 horsepower, while the dual-motor AWD variant pumps out up to 320 horsepower and 446 pound-feet of torque. This means the top model can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 5 seconds, which is seriously quick for a family crossover. But it's not just about speed. The Ioniq 5 offers a balanced ride quality with adaptive suspension that absorbs bumps comfortably while still giving you confidence on twisty roads. One of its biggest advantages is its 800-volt architecture, allowing ultra-fast charging. You can go from 10 to 80% battery in just 18 minutes using a 350 kilowatt charger. The range depends on your configuration but goes up to around 300 miles on a full charge with the long-range battery pack. Now when it comes to pricing, the 2025 Hyundai Ioniq 5 is positioned to offer value for money in the premium EV market. The base model starts around $42,000, while the higher trims with all-wheel drive and extended features can reach up to $57,000 depending on your package and location. Of course, pricing may also vary based on incentives, taxes, and delivery fees. Even at its highest trim, the features and performance you get make it a compelling alternative to more expensive EVs from luxury brands.